Okay, this is the Cat Tower 2000. It is a homemade cat tower built from 5 2x4s, cut at 2 feet, 4 feet, 6 feet, and 7 feet. But you can do 8 feet if you have a tall enough ceiling. I don't want to go much higher than this because of the ceiling height. And 1 sheet of plywood. I used chipboard, pretty thick, heavy-duty chipboard. And then brackets. You don't really need brackets on these ones because they're going to be mounted like that. And then the base. And so what I did was I just measured what I felt like was a good base size, and then cut my 4 platform squares out, 17 by 18. I think my base is 22 by 34. And then all my dimensions were based on a roll of 3 by 5 super shag rug, super nice carpet. It was $60. Then once I figured out the base size, then the rest of the carpet cut into 4 sections, and they wound up being 17 by 18 sections. And I haven't glued any of this down. All I did was just kind of cut it out so that they all like kind of fit in, you know. And they actually don't even really need to be glued because they just sit here. The cats haven't messed with them. I might stain the wood. Oh, we got a visitor here. Somebody's already enjoying it. And all my cats wear the claw caps so that they can't scratch anything. So they're well-behaved kitten. But that's pretty much it. You do a T shape with the 2x4s so that they have extra stability. I put these brackets at the tops. You definitely need them on these 2 towers because there's nothing else supporting them. And you could back it up to a wall and then just do a bracket from the end of one of these towers because they're the closest to the wall. Put a bracket between here and the wall to keep it from like teetering. But it doesn't seem to really teeter much either. There you have it, the Cat Tower 2000.